Not sure where to go, or what to see? Then, let's explore Pushkar. Keep watching and we'll show you the top self-guided day plan so that you can see the best attractions at your own pace for free. We'll also show you the best time to travel here. Save time and money by rolling with Tour Bird Buddy. We do all the hard work for you. To explore more cities, be sure to subscribe. Awesome, let's roll. This tour is best if you only have a day. About 7 hours is ideal for this tour. Created for famine relief in 1892, this man-made lake features birding, picnic areas and green space. Next to Savriti Mata Temple. Hilltop Hindu temple offering sweeping lake and valley views via cable car or trekking ascents. Then move to Brahma Temple, Pushkar. Simple Hindu temple dedicated to the god Brahma, with colorful shrines and lake views. Then on to Pushkar Adventure Camp and Camel Safari. Camel, safari, desert, and camping. Next stop Pushkar Lake. This sacred lake and Hindu pilgrimage site is surrounded by bathing ghats and temples. The most popular travel time in Pushkar is November. Check the video description below for weather tips, more events and links to rewatch a day plan. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe so that you always go the best way for the best day. Oh, to help planning your trip, check the links in the video description below.